Hello my friends. If you ever wanted to start making videos for YouTube but couldn't pay or don't want to pay for stock sounds and videos, in this video I will show you how to do it for free. Alright, first website is Incompetech Music. This is all royalty free music. This only that you need to do is credit the maker, and when you click the music, go on view collection, and then you can choose all the genres that you need. For example, blues. Just click the song that you like, you can listen and direct download. And this is the text here that you need to paste under your video in video description. Alright, next website is Free Sound, where you can get all the sounds that you need, from short ones 1 second long to several minutes. Copyright situation is the same. Credit the maker and that's it. Alright, next website is icons8.com. All the icons that you need. You just find the icon that you need or search. For example, house, and all the houses will be here available. It's quite cool that you can find everything, and you can just click on some icon and click on download, and then he will download PNG. If you need some other file, you can choose from, you say, 100 pixels, 500 pixels, and format SVG, EPS, and PDF. Alright, next website is freepic.com. Here you can find backgrounds, buttons, cartoons, graphics. It's quite cool. Here also they have music. So when you click, you can see the style, and you can just download. Okay, next is video editor. Video editor Davinci Resolve 15. This is one of the best, if not the best, free video editor you can find. And last one is OBS Studio. This is for streaming, but you can use it also for recording. Alright, this is the 6 things that you need, and you can start making free awesome videos. Links for websites will be under the video in video description. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, give a dislike if you didn't, follow me on social media, subscribe to the channel, comment under the video if we have any questions, and I will see you in another video.